Yo, 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 yo. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to another video, another informative video, another educational video. Okay, so today is January the 2nd, first trading day of the year. I just want to show you guys this 25 plus move that I had caught this morning. Nothing crazy. Just one play for the day. You know, it's first trading day of the year. Not expecting nothing too much. Okay, so let's get started. So coming into the morning this morning around 2-3 o'clock, my usual time I'm up. I'm watching the market. These green areas are swing lows that I had spotted out this morning. If you notice on this time frame, this is the hour equal low that we had. So my predictions were that we should run these areas throughout the day, but just because I had those predictions does not mean that I'm just going to jump in blindly and just hopefully to target all three of them. No. So I came into the market this morning and noticed that we was falling, right? Was coming down with speed, right? Market opened at 9:30. We had these equal lows pop down through displacement. So once we see this now, we came down to the second target, right? So now what we're looking at, we noticed that we had this 15-minute FEG right here. This is a whole 15 minutes FEG. So we came out, we ran back up, we respected. And if you notice on the 4-minute, we had a slight FEG right here, inverse the FEG. And this is where I had entered. I entered right here, right on this inverse. As soon as we inverse, as soon as this candle had ran back up to like, it was green. It was like a green candle. The fact that we inverse, I just jumped in off that inverse because of the momentum from the downside. And the fact that we inverse, we swept the imbalance. We took the imbalance here. And then we inverse, came down. My target was this low. We ran back up one more time to test, see if we really want to go down. And then what did we do? Ran back up, rejected off this OB right here, and crash. Beautiful 25 plus move on January the 2nd. Yeah, and that was about it.